Hey everyone, welcome back to my video. I'm super grateful for you all liking my previous videos. It gives me too much pleasure. In this video, I'm going to be doing the unboxing and the review of this product. It's a very new product I bought, but I've not yet unboxed it. So let's do that now. Okay, so first let me cut open the cover. The cover is now open. Okay, so now I just have to open this box. Okay, so now I will just open the sellotape. And now it is finally out. Now let me unwrap this. It is finally out. My god, this much of packing for this, it took so long to just unpack it. Now let me show it to you. Okay, so this box also has some sellotape which I will have to cut open, and only then will I be able to access it. And now that is done. Now it should open up. And it is finally open. This is the product. So I'll just remove it now. Yeah, this is the product. What else do you get in the box? Okay, they have given a long wire and a booklet. Okay, so now let's see what wiring they have given us. This actually seems like two separate wires. Let's have a look. Yes, there are two separate wires. It's a HDMI USB wire. This one is also a HDMI USB wire. Maybe this connects to an HDMI port, but this one looks like a longer wire and this looks like a shorter wire. Okay, so now on the device itself, it says activate at leap motion / setup. So let's activate that. Okay, so here it says go to leapmotion.com / setup. So I'll do that now. And now I have gone to leapmotion.com / setup. So here it is telling me to choose product to set up, and my product is the Leap Motion controller, so I will select that one. Now download SDK. Okay, so now I'm going to be choosing Windows, and it's asking for more information, the login information. I will do that and get back to you all. Okay, so now it's saying that you have signed up successfully. I'm just going to click on yes and accept. Now it is downloading the file. Okay, so it has downloaded in a zip format. I will just extract it. Okay, so now I will just open the extracted folder and install the program. It is installing now. It's taking its own sweet time. I'll pause the video. It is finally done. Now I'll click on finish. It will launch the application. Okay, so now that it is connected, I'll go down here and double click on this. Now click on troubleshooting and click on diagnostic visualizations. Now it will show your hand. Now if we press H, it shows your hand much better. Now let's change the visuals. Now you can see my hand on the screen. So nice. Now I'll just maximize this and now close it. Now I will just open this app called Touch Free and double click on it. Now Touch Free is open. I don't need to set it up because it's already set up. So I will just close it. Now you can see my hand, and it's while my hand is moving, there is a mouse thing that is moving as well. So now if I want to close, okay, you can't see my hand, but if I want to close that, and now that thing is closed. Now let me show you some more. Okay, so now if I want to go to some website, I just have to move my hand and move it up, 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 and just hold it there. Now it has clicked. Now if I want to click on a video, I just have to go to that, click, wait some time, and it clicked on the video. Now I'll just close YouTube by just going all the way up and holding it over there. It has closed YouTube. This is just too cool. My mouse is in my hand. So now it is finally time to end this video. And since I'm reviewing this product, I would give it a 3 out of 5 rating. I won't give it a 5 on 5 rating because I don't think I'm ever going to replace my mouse or my touchpad with this product. It has its own benefits and it has its advantages, but I would never replace my mouse or touchpad with it. So anyway, so now I hope you all liked this video. It was so informative. I don't think anyone will ever buy this product. If you all like this video, just head over to YouTube and subscribe to my channel and like this video. It makes me feel so nice. Thanks a lot, people. Bye.